Titindi pa ang damang init na nararanasan natin pagdating ng Mayo na aabot sa extreme danger ayon sa Pag-asa.
Sa kanilang pagtaya, posibleng pumalo sa 52 degrees Celsius o pataas ang heat index.
At dahil wala rin gaanong ulan, patuloy ring bumababa ang level ng tubig sa ilang reservoir.
Ang init!
Makapag-outing kaya?
Hindi! Magbundok na lang tayo para mahangin. Hays, hindi na naman matutuloy yan pag plano pa nga lang ubos ng oras.
Naiinitan ka ba? Mainit sa bahay? Gusto mo mag-outing?
O magpahangin sa bundok pero nahihirapan kang maghanap ng magandang destinasyon?
Introducing
Vacation Buddy,
adding shades to your gateway sketch. Hi, bakasyonista! Feeling like you're melting? Maybe it's a time for a quick escape to recharge. Presenting your vacation bag that will recommend a beautiful place in Batangas. Are you planning to go on a vacation? Yes or no?
If no, no worries. There are many ways to beat the heat and stay cool. Feel free to explore and look for a quick refresh or a more strategic approach to ease the hot temperature. Thank you for using Vacation Buddy. Have a great day!
If yes, let's explore some destinations to turn that frown upside down and make the most of this sunny weather. Welcome to Batangas Vacation Planners. Top to see districts and municipalities, District 1, District 2, District 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Choose what type of vacation do you prefer, either resort or mountain. If resort, it will suggest top beautiful resorts in your chosen municipality. Like this. If mountain, it will suggest top beautiful mountains in your chosen municipality. Like this.
Vacation Buddy is a navigator that can help the users a hassle-free vacation. Because of continuous rising heat index, a lot of people can stay at home and they want to go at resort to swim and to breathe a fresh air in mountain. But planning is too time-consuming. That's why Vacation Buddy was made, to easily add shades to your gateway sketch. This program acts as a suggestion planner to be a short-term solution to this uprising heat index. The Vacation Buddy includes various resort and mountain and different municipalities under the 6 districts in Batangas, showing their description and possible expenses. Created simple but has a purpose. It's a user-friendly program which will help you to easily plan a vacation.